Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make la mousse noire. We will begin by gathering all our essential ingredients and equipment, ensuring a smooth process from start to finish. Next, we'll delve into the crucial steps for achieving that signature light and airy texture, focusing on precise techniques. You'll also learn about the importance of selecting high-quality chocolate and how to handle it correctly. Finally, we'll cover some delightful presentation ideas to make your dessert truly shine. Get ready to create a truly exquisite treat. For our exquisite mousse, select 200 grams of premium dark chocolate, ideally with 70 to 80% cocoa solids for a rich flavor. You will also need 4 large eggs, carefully separating the yolks from the whites. Make sure 100 grams of unsalted butter is softened to room temperature, which helps it blend seamlessly. Additionally, prepare about 2 tablespoons of strong, freshly brewed espresso. This enhances the chocolate's depth without making the mousse taste like coffee. A pinch of salt will also balance the sweetness beautifully. First, gently melt 200 grams of dark chocolate with 100 grams of softened butter over a double boiler, ensuring it's smooth and glossy. In a separate bowl, whisk 4 egg yolks with 50 grams of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes pale yellow and thick, almost ribbon-like. Carefully fold the slightly cooled chocolate and butter mixture into the egg yolk mixture, combining them thoroughly. Finally, in another clean bowl, whip the 4 egg whites with a pinch of salt until they form firm, glossy peaks. Then gently fold them into the chocolate base in 2 additions. Once your mousse is assembled, transfer it into individual serving glasses or a large bowl. Cover it gently with plastic wrap, ensuring the wrap doesn't touch the surface of the mousse. Now, the most challenging part, patience. Chill your mousse in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to set perfectly and develop its full flavor. Before serving, you can garnish it with delicate chocolate shavings, a dusting of cocoa powder, or a few fresh raspberries for a touch of color and tartness. Enjoy your perfectly crafted la mousse noire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.